Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Easy English Conversation podcast.
Hi friends, I'm Emma, and I'm here with my friend John.
Hey guys, I'm John. How's everyone doing today?
We can't really hear your answer, but I hope you're smiling and ready to learn some English with us.
Yeah, and if you're new here, welcome. This is a fun and simple podcast where you can practice English by listening to natural conversation.
That's right. We speak slowly, we use easy words, and we talk about real-life topics.
Exactly. It's just like talking with friends. No stress, no grammar test.
That's right. So today's topic is something almost everyone loves.
Movies.
Yup. We're going to talk about our favorite movies, movie experiences, actors, and even some movie snacks.
It's going to be fun. Oh, and before we start, we have a little surprise for you.
Yes, we made a free PDF file with this full conversation script.
You can find it in the video description below. It has this whole script, plus vocabulary words and questions to help you practice.
So, after you listen, make sure to download it and practice at home.
All right, let's jump in. So, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I made some coffee, went for a short walk, and now I'm feeling great.
Nice. Did you watch anything last night?
Actually, yes. I watched La La Land again.
That's a great one. I love the music in that movie.
Me too. The songs are so beautiful. Every time I watch it, I feel inspired.
Yeah, it's kind of sad but hopeful at the same time, right?
Exactly. And it's so colorful, it makes me want to dance, even though I'm a terrible dancer.
That's okay. At least we can enjoy the movie part.
For sure.
So let's talk about movie types. What kind of movies do you like the most?
I think I like romantic comedies. Movies that are funny, but also have a love story.
Rom-coms, like Notting Hill or The Proposal?
Yes, those are perfect examples. I like stories that make me laugh and feel good.
Yeah, those are nice. I usually like action or adventure movies.
Oh, really? Like what?
Like Indiana Jones, Mission Impossible, or The Avengers. I love the excitement and the crazy things they do.
Oh, you like the big explosions and car chases.
Yeah, exactly. It's so much fun.
I get too nervous watching those. I'm always like, oh no, is he okay?
That's part of the fun.
What about scary movies? Do you watch horror?
No way. Nope. Not my thing.
Me neither. I get scared so easily. I can't even sleep after watching one.
Exactly. I watched The Ring once and I couldn't sleep for 2 nights.
Same. I always think the ghost is behind me.
Yeah. Let's stick to comedies and adventure.
Do you remember the first movie you ever saw in the theater?
I think it was Toy Story.
Oh, that's such a cute one.
Yeah, I was maybe 6 or 7. I remember being amazed by the talking toys.
That movie is still one of my favorites.
Me too. I think it was the first time I really fell in love with movies.
That's sweet. My first movie in the theater was The Lion King.
Another classic.
Yeah, I cried when Mufasa died.
Oh man, me too. That part is heartbreaking.
Even now, when I rewatch it, I still tear up.
Disney really knows how to make people cry.
Yes, happy, sad, emotional, all in one movie.
So, do you prefer watching movies at home or in the theater?
I think I prefer watching at home. It's comfortable, I can wear pajamas, and I can pause anytime I want.
Yeah, that's true. And you can make your own snacks too.
Exactly. I can have popcorn, chocolate, even ice cream.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
What about you?
I actually love going to the theater. The big screen, the loud sound, it feels special.
Yeah, that's true. The experience is totally different.
And I like when the audience reacts together, like when everyone laughs or gasps at the same time.
Yes, that's such a fun energy. Okay, important question. What's your favorite movie snack?
Popcorn, 100%.
Of course, that's the classic one.
Extra butter always.
You're brave. I like popcorn too, but I also love M&Ms.
Do you eat them separately or mix them?
Both. Sometimes I mix them together. Sweet and salty. Perfect combo.
I never tried that. I'll do it next time.
You'll thank me later.
Who's your favorite actor or actress?
Maybe Sandra Bullock. She's funny, smart, and very natural.
Yeah, she's great. I liked her in The Proposal and Gravity.
Same. She can do comedy and serious movies. That's talent.
I think my favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, he's amazing in Forrest Gump, Castaway, and Toy Story.
He's like everyone's favorite uncle.
Yes, that's the perfect way to describe him.
You know, I love when a movie teaches a lesson about life.
Yeah, me too. Like The Pursuit of Happiness. That one really touched me.
Oh, yes. That movie makes me cry every time. It's so inspiring.
It reminds me that hard work and hope can really change your life.
Exactly. I also love Eat, Pray, Love. It made me want to travel and find myself.
I remember that. You said you wanted to move to Italy after watching it.
Yes. I still want to go there someday.
Movies can really make us dream, huh?
They can. That's the magic of storytelling.
You know, watching movies is a great way to learn English.
Absolutely. You can hear real pronunciation, tone, and expressions.
Yeah, and it's not just boring studying, it's fun.
Exactly. You learn natural phrases like, "What's up?" or "You kidding me?"
Yeah, things we actually say in daily life.
If you're learning English, try watching with subtitles. First in your language, then in English.
That's a great idea. And later, try watching without subtitles to test yourself.
Yes, that helps your listening skills so much, and you'll start to understand English by sound, not just by reading.
Exactly. That's how real learning happens. By the way, don't forget about the PDF we made for you.
Yes, it has the full script from today's episode, plus vocabulary and fun questions.
You can download it from the description below.
It's perfect for practicing speaking and understanding at home.
You can even read along while listening. That helps you learn faster.
Exactly. So make sure to grab it after this video.
All right, Emma, fun question time. If you could live inside any movie, which one would you choose?
Maybe Harry Potter. I'd love to go to Hogwarts and learn magic.
That's a good one. I think I'd choose Back to the Future. I want a time machine.
Of course you would. You'd probably visit the dinosaurs.
Why not?
Movies really let us imagine amazing worlds.
Yeah, they make us laugh, cry, dream, and sometimes even change how we think.
That's true. That's the beauty of movies.
So what about you guys listening? What's your favorite movie?
Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your answers.
And remember, download the free PDF script to study this conversation and learn the new words.
You can practice reading, listening, and speaking all at once.
All right, friends, that's all for today.
Thank you for joining us on Practice English with John and Emma.
keep learning, keep smiling, and keep watching movies in English.
See you next time.